Unboxing LG 27GN800-B UltraGear gaming monitor. From Stuttery screens to Silky QHD glory. Ever felt like your monitor is the ultimate buzzkill, ghosting through gunfights, colors washing out like bad watercolor, or that endless stutter turning epic raids into slideshow snoozes? It's pure frustration when your rig's potential gets pixel punished, leaving you slumped in defeat. Picture this. A clutch headshot ruined by blur, your squad's cheers turning to crickets. If this hits your sore spot, drop your gnarliest gaming glitch in the comments. Let's bond over the betrayal. But what if one screen shattered the slump? Those heart-pounding deadlines where input lag lurks, spiking stress and fueling burnout as frantic framerates fizzle, all while tournament dreams dissolve into display disasters? Weekend warriors grinding for glory? Yeah. It's exhausting when 144 Hz hopes hit IPS walls, morphing marathons into migraine marathons. Imagine reclaiming that razor-edge control over your QHD quests. No frantic tweaks or foggy fixes, just fluid 1 millisecond harmony that fuels your fire. If you're trapped in this tearful torment, this could rewrite your rules without extra glare or grief. What's your fiercest frame drop fiasco? Fess up below. Dive into the LG 27GN800-B UltraGear gaming monitor, your breakthrough portal to pixel perfection. A 27-inch QHD IPS powerhouse with 144 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond GDG response time, AMD FreeSync Premium, G-Sync compatible sync, and HDR10 vibrancy. All framed in sleek black with HDMI and DisplayPort ports for seamless swaps. That 99% sRGB gamut bursts scenes alive, wide 178 degrees angles, keeping colors crisp from any throne, while black stabilizer pierces shadows and dynamic action sync slashes lag for lightning reactions. Feel the adrenaline, pixels pulsing like a heartbeat, your intuition locking onto foes as matte anti-glare whispers, focus. Take Kai, the esports hopeful whose old panels smeared through scrims. Until the LG 27GN800-B's FreeSync locked frames fluidly, his kill to death soaring in Valorant victories, squad chants echoing over buttery motion. Or Mia, the casual explorer lost in Elden Ring's gloom. Crosshair overlays nailed precision strikes, HDR10 blooming boss arenas into breathtaking battles, her immersion unbreakable. Here's one way the LG 27GN800-B saved the day for a busy professional. Midstream, he toggled 144 Hz overdrive, 1 millisecond response banishing blur during a heated Overwatch duel, reclaiming viewer hype and hours for highlights. Sensory spark? That first tear-free dive, like silk gliding over skin, narrative nectar for your next level up. Why chase shadows when this UltraGear ignites infernos? If you're craving that clarity, comment "Sync me" for the quick black stabilizer whisper. Hang tight for the bonus overdrive hack that hones edges hypnotic. Your viewport to victory beckons. Revel in razor efficiency with the LG 27GN800-B, where 144 Hz fluidity and 1 millisecond GDG precision sharpen your focus, evicting eye strain for performance that thrums like a tuned engine, worlds rendered vivid, strategies snapping into view without the haze. Sidestep the sync struggles. QHD IPS clarity and G-Sync compatible mastery tame title teases. 99% sRGB, saturating setups from desk dives to dual monitor dreams, elevating your edge from erratic to electric. Time treasured for triumphs, not troubleshooting. Thousands geek out as it alchemizes okay into obsession. That HDR10 halo hinting at hidden depths. FreeSync Premium weaving worry-free weaves. See why it's the forum favorite. Arting's expert crowns it a great gaming monitor, with responsive, crisp visuals and sharp clarity to immerse you in gameplay. PC Varge influencer beams, good color accuracy, lots of gaming features, a simple design with a gamer look and clear display. Display Ninja analyst affirms, affordable 27-inch 1440p 144 Hz 1 millisecond IPS, wide color gamut, G-Sync compatibility, and 1 millisecond MBR. Best by user raves. picture quality, refresh rate, and color accuracy, praising its performance for gaming and general use. Another Reddit gamer quips, upgrading from 1080p made a huge difference. Image sharpness and colors are fantastic. Adaptive sync works flawlessly. Objection to stand too basic? Easy. VESA ready for arms that adapt. Bolstering UVP with tilt that trumps the trivial. Which wizardry wins you? HDR pops or shadow sight? Comment below and crank the convo. Rhetorically, doesn't your arena ache for this angular allure? That subtle shimmer of sRGB seduction drawing you deeper? Narrative nuance. Envision the joystick's nudge like a co-pilot's cue, performance peaking as 144Hz intuition ignites your instinct. Lightly irreverent? Why worship wobbly voltamps washouts when LG 27GN800-B lords with IPS integrity, no smudges or secrets? Curiosity crackles. What's the tucked-away tilt trick pros pivot on? Scarcity strikes. Seize your LG 27GN800-B before bins bare, syncing with squads who've surged their scenes via 144Hz QHD bliss, 1 millisecond IPS edge, and FreeSync frenzy, banishing blur for boundless bliss. Don't delay as deals dim. Lock it in today and luxuriate in the leap from laggy to legendary. One aficionado aced it. Couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow, from stutter steps to stride supremacy. If you're shadowed by smudgy screens or sync snafus, this may change your game. Comment yes for the exclusive HDR tweak inside. Click to conjure that crosshair catalyst making conquest's cakewalk. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your workflow today.